Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sloppy joes. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 cup of green bell pepper, 1/4 cup of jalapeno pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 2/3 cups of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 brioche buns. Using medium heat, bring a pan to temperature, then add your ground beef. Now season the meat with the salt and pepper and continue cooking until your meat has browned. Now add the onion, bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, and garlic and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add the ketchup, diced tomatoes, and water and mix until well combined. Add the mustard, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce and mix until well combined. Now allow the meat to cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. The key to a great sloppy joe sandwich is allowing the meat to simmer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.